Hi there, boys and girls! Today I will show you how to make a delicious spinach salad with cheese and more. We need 75 grams of spinach, 75 grams of cheese, 50 grams of walnuts, and another 50 of cranberries. And for the dressing, we'll use 4 tablespoons of honey and 4 of balsamic vinegar cream. This recipe is super easy. First, you have to blend the spinach with some of the cheese, walnuts and cranberries. Then, mix the dressing in a glass, stirring with a fork until it's homogeneous. After that, pour it over the salad and combine. To serve it, I like to add the other part of the cheese, walnuts and cranberries. Otherwise, the ingredients settle down to the bottom and the salad won't look so well. You can have this salad ready in a couple of minutes. It's very energetic and even good to eat in the winter time. If you want to, you can add spices like thyme and oregano. They go really well. If you like this recipe of a spinach salad, give a like and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. See you on the next video.